The camp is proud to present the Ultimate Bullet Challenge. Choosing a bullet to hunt various big game animals can be tricky. The vast product lineups offered by ammunition manufacturers combined with the latest developments in bullets and ultra-magnum calibers are really changing the face of terminal ballistics. Too often, people rely solely on ballistic charts to compare center-fire bullet performance. These charts reveal valuable information on trajectory and kinetic energy, but they tell us very little on how these bullets react once they impact big game. Today's testing aims to identify the best performing centerfire bullets based on weight retention, penetration, as well as the X factor commonly referred to as the mushroom effect. The methodology used consists in shooting several brands and bullets, of all which are 30.06 Springfield caliber in 180 grains. Rounds will be shot in ballistic wax, which facilitates, among other things, the measuring of penetration. Ballistic gel has the advantage of resembling the density of an animal, but it is not accessible to all, and it is quite a hassle to prepare and manipulate. For the purpose of our experience, ballistic wax fulfills our needs perfectly. All the shots are taken at 50 yards. Weight retention is measured by comparing the initial weight of the projectile and then comparing it with the residual weight once it has been removed from the ballistic wax tubes. Penetration, as it suggests, simply refers to measuring the distance between the point of impact and the stop of the projectile. The X factor or mushroom effect consists in measuring the initial diameter of the projectile and then comparing it with the diameter after the impact. Once all the different ammunition is shot, the measuring may begin. The wax tubes must be cut in half in order to measure the penetration. Following this, the projectile is extracted and then heated to remove excess wax before being weighed. After compiling the results, it is apparent that some bullets outperform others by a good margin. The 5 best performing projectiles have proven to be Core-Lock Ultra Bonded, Trophy Bonded Bear Claw, Swift Scirocco, Swift A-Frame, and Core-Lock ammunition. Among these 5 top performing projectiles, it is interesting to note that Remington offers 4 in its lineup, thus confirming the strong stance it has deserved over the years in big game centerfire ammunition. The last test performed today consists in testing the structural integrity of the ammunition by shooting it into a metal plate through a carton of water. By observing the holes and imprints on the metal plate, we are able to determine which projectiles fragment and those who don't. This test completes and strengthens our results in regards to weight retention, since water has such a high density and is considered as the ultimate test for centerfire projectiles. Terminal ballistics is a broad subject that can be viewed from so many different angles and perspectives. Taking into account so many variables, it is not an easy task, and that is why we have tried to bring it as close as possible to the real-life test.